This segment will provide some safety, operation, and maintenance tips. When used properly, your cart can be used to easily move up to 350 pounds of material around your property. For best handling and traction, distribute the weight of the load you're moving evenly in the cart. If you plan to use the cart on a slope, consult the owner's manual for safety guidelines and always test to make sure your tractor has adequate towing and braking capabilities, especially when moving a heavy load. When you're ready to dump material from your cart, first remove the tailgate by lifting it straight up and out of the tailgate guides. Then, standing clear of the cart, release the spring latch on the tongue by pulling the latch lever towards the front of the cart. The cart body will then tilt backwards and empty its contents. When the material has been unloaded, pull the front of the cart bed down towards the cart tongue until the latch lock lever snaps back into place. You may replace the tailgate if you wish. Please note that the maximum towing speed for the cart is 7 miles per hour. Before each use, inspect your cart for loose hardware and secure any loose fasteners immediately. Now check that the tires are properly inflated and don't overinflate them beyond the maximum recommended pressure printed on the side of the tire. At the start of each season, lubricate the latch lock lever, latch pivot bolt, and axle with a light coating of machine oil. For further service and adjustments, refer to the owner's manual for details. Congratulations! Your new Agri-Fab utility cart is now fully assembled and ready to use. For more help or replacement parts, you can contact Agri-Fab directly at 1-800-448-9282 or visit Agri-Fab online at agri-fab.com. Agri-Fab, lawn care made easy.